Hello, my name's Rebecca. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to move through something that we practice within Tai Chi, and it can come in different forms. In the Yang style form, which is what we're going to do today, the Yang 24, it's a piece called grasping or stroking bird's tail. And it looks different in the various forms of Tai Chi. In particular, in Yang style, it's got this really nice flow element to it. So we're going to start out kind of holding our ball of energy, our Chi ball. And I like to think of the Chi ball, the size of the Chi ball is about heart height. Sometimes it's lower dantian height. And it's about head distance. So wherever that is, I might be moving the ball around, but it's about the size of my head, so to speak. So when we step into stroking bird's tail, it starts with a ward off. So finding that Chi ball, put your weight onto your left leg, just holding as if that energy is spiraling through your hands. And then shifting back into bow stance and warding off. So moving out of that space. So this is kind of a deflection. Warding off. And you see my left hand here as I step back, there's a block of sorts. Coming back in. Ward off. Now we're going to roll back. So let the left hand come to the right and roll back. Again, it's the hand first, the knee moves, then the hip, then the waist, then the face. So the knee shift, hip, spine. And again, roll back. Let's try it again. So starting with that ball, and again, about head distance, head height. Ward off, so we step back. And then roll back. And now press. So it's left wrist to right wrist. Press. Just try that again. Press. And the weight is really central. It's low. So sinking. I'm not moving too far forward or too far back. I'm actually pressing down. I'm getting even more grounded. We move soft like cotton, and we're strong as steel. Press. Let's try it again from the beginning, starting with your energy ball. Step back to ward off. Now let left hand meet right. Roll back. Press. And now push. So pull back. The push starts with a pull, and then sink down and up. Try that again. Pull back and push. So this is just the push. Make it one movement. And now come back to center. And we'll try it all together. Finding that Chi ball, stepping back to ward off. Roll back. Press. Now push. And come all the way through the center. And then find your Chi ball on the other side. So now your weight is into your right leg. And you're going to step back so you're weighted more forward just a bit for a second. And you step back into that ward off. Try again. Ward off again. There's a block. So it's pretty much always offensive and defensive at the same time. So it's really just allowing and yielding. So the net charge is nothing. No thing. Sinking back. So we're going to ward off, and now roll back. Just go through that roll back again. So let the knee move, the hip, the waist. Roll back. And now step forward, starting with that Chi ball this time again. Same size Chi ball. ward off, stepping back, and now roll back. This time we press, so wrist to wrist, press. Just going through that press again. Sinking your weight low, as if you're moving gently through resistance of water. So there is this essence of care, of deliberate awareness of movement. Coming back, finding that chi ball, sinking in, step back to ward off, roll back, press, and now we add the push. So again, you pull to push. And I link my breath here. So I take a breath in and a breath out. And now coming center, we'll try it all together on this side. So finding that chi ball, weight is low, stepping back, ward off, roll back, press, and push. Come all the way through center. And now we're going to go to the other side. So find your chi ball, sit weight over to the left, and now step right foot back to ward off, bow stance, to roll back, to press, and to push. We're going to come through center again and try it again. Weight shifts over to the right. We step back to ward off. I'm moving into the wall. Ward off. Roll back. Press. Push. Try again. Moving side to side. Find the chi ball. Step back. Ward off. Roll back. Press. Push. Ward off. Roll back. Press. And push. One more time. Stepping back right. We're stroking bird's tail. Think of that length of the bird's tail. And all the energy emanating through that lower dantian, just 2 inches below, and then 2 inches in from the navel. So think about all your movement starting from that point. That point that is dynamic rather than static. Spiraling energy through your whole body. And release. Pausing to sense the energy in your body, to sense the energy around you. Thank you.